Do you love this song? Did you love the music? That one is not only music, but it has also information. One, it's talking about Immaculate Show, and at the same time, it is showing you how we are grateful and how we can come together. Today, we are not looking at the song, but we are looking at the easiest and laziest ways for us to make money on a daily basis using music. I know most of us, we know that music has always copyrights because I'm not a musician, I'm not an artist, you're not a musician, I'm very sure. But behold, from today, me and you are going to start becoming musicians. We're going to learn like 2 to 3 ways that you can use your music for you to earn 300, 400, up to $500 in a day. When I talk about $305, I know some of you are going to say, Christine, again, you've come back. How do I earn money from music when I'm not an artist? No, bear with me. Let's go together. But before we dive in and see this app, we'll see this website that I've used that created that music that you had for Immaculate Show, free of copyrights, owned by Christine. Who is the artist? It's Christine. Please, I would love to say thank you for being with us. Thank you for the support that you're showing us. It's only not only support, but your love is more than we expected. So right now, we come before you to say, God bless you all. God bless you, and let God continue to cover you with the love. Let God continue to cover you with the financial freedom. You know, as a market show, we are into more on financial freedom and how to use what is within you and around you to make a financial change. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what exactly we have in store for you. Today we are going to be teaching you. This video is like in 3 parts. The first part is to discover this app that I'm talking about, that is going to make you an artist, and at the same time it will make you earn a lot of money. Then the second thing we're going to look at how can we create this music. Then how can we distribute it? How can we make money out of the music that we made? So let's go together. I want you to go to your favorite browser. We have very many tools that can make music, that can make songs, but for this one, it is proven and it has no copyrights. It's so beautiful and it is easy, very friendly, to the extent that even a 3 to 7-year-old person can sit down and use it. It has no hassle. So let's go to your browser. I want you to go and type Suno Suno.ai. Suno.ai is an app, a music app that really makes things simple. It made me become an artist, and right now we are yet to rip out of us being artists on Suno.ai. What exactly does Suno.ai do? Just put it there and let's continue together. When you key in that word Suno.ai, an interface will come. When it comes like this, what do you want to do exactly? We want to create music, but we are not artists. So me and you were going to be helped by this app for us to create music. Now, when you get this, when you go to this app, the app has almost 2 ways. One, it will create for you, or you can key in the lyrics that you want. Then the second one, it is going to put for you. You're going to follow the prompts, and when you follow the prompts, if you want sustaining music, you want inspiring music, you want Afrobeat, you want whatever you want, you're going to find it there. Then after that, you are going to generate the music. But remember, there are 2 types, there are 2 grades on this app. This app has both the free one and the paid one. But I encourage you, before you go for the paid one, first discover and learn and master how to monitor, how to master, and how to market your music. Let's dive in and see how to do it. As you come to the interface of Suno.ai, as you can see on the screen, it will come like that. The interface was, or you can see it. You don't mind about this music. This is already my music. I've already done three songs for Immaculate Show and for the people I love so much. So one of the things that you do, it is going to ask you whether you want to key in and put the lyrics that you want, or you want these people, the Suno AI, the system to generate for you. But even if you want it to generate for you, you are going to direct it exactly what do you want. Like me, I brought some of my lyrics, I put them here. Where did I get the lyrics? I got some lyrics from ChatGPT. I put in what I want, and ChatGPT gave me the lyrics. Then I brought them here, and at the same time, we continue editing it. So it will come here and it will create for you the song that you want. Follow the prompts, what it asks you. Then from there, you will come to know that it gives you around 50 chances for you when you're on a free version. So go ahead and use it on a free version, or if you really feel that you want to take it to another level, you can also go ahead and do what? And go to the paid version. So this is the song that I put there. The second one, I wanted to appreciate one of my best darling that had stood up on my behalf, has ever been there, thick and nail. That was my second song that I made. Listen to it, and then we come to terms and see how can we make money from
it. The world got small, you stood tall, God bless you mightily. Past the cross, never lost, stronger here for you and me. God bless you, we remain strong, even when the world's all wrong. God bless you, holding on, together we are strong. Shaking ground, solid found, you never let it go. Times were rough, but we stay tough, stronger love to show. God bless you, we remain strong, even when the world's all wrong. God bless you, hold it on, together we are strong. Shaking ground, solid found, you never let it go. Times were rough, but we stay tough, stronger love to show. God bless you, we remain strong, even when the world's all wrong. God bless you, hold it on, together we are strong. God bless you, we remain strong, even when the world's all wrong. God bless you, hold it on, together we are strong.
expressing the emotions and whatever I wanted to tell him or I want to tell her. So now, let's go dive in and see exactly how can we make money out of this our music. One, I'm going to give you the two major ways to earn money from this music. The first one, you can be a marketeer. You can sell your music. How do you sell this music? You have your social media platforms. You go there, you make different types of lyrics or different types of beats. Is it a birthday? Most people are looking for people to create for them birthday gifts. This can be a very beautiful thing for the birthday gift of your boy, of your girl, of your husband. It can be. Then the second thing, you can also market it in different ways. There are people who likes this soothing music. There are people who want background music. Recently, before I discovered this, I was looking for somebody to make for me an intro, and I was going to pay until I made this app, until I came to know this app. So if you want to do money, if you want to make money out of music, you can do this, because this one has no any strings attached. It is free of charge. Suppose you put adverts on all social media platforms, and most people don't know that, by the way, this music It can be created by AI. It can be created by the system. There are most musicians out there, the artists are doing it a hard way, are doing it to the extent that it even makes people fight because it goes to millions. But now you can charge even if you charge $50. How many people know that really you can make your own music? There are very few people who know this. Apart from you now that you have listened to it or you listened it from another person. Now the people who don't know, if you put very nice tips, very nice lyrics, people are moved by the way what they feel, the things that move them. The moment you put them online and start marketing them, I'm very sure a day you can make enough money. Let's go to the second method of you how you can earn from this method. You can earn from this method by the same thing that I'm doing right now. You can look at me, I'm doing content creation as far as financial freedom and financial stability within, around you, with your phone and with your internet. Now, what about you? If you go to the paid version, the moment you say, now this is going to be my content, you are going to pay for them. It has different plans. There's a pro plan for $10, there's a 20, there's a 30. Now you take one of the plan, you will find you're doing content that no one can beat you, because YouTube is not going to strike you. This one is going to be your music. You're going to follow the prompts, of course. It is going to be, the artist is going to be you, the source and everything is going to come from you. This one has no any strings attached and it is free. And suppose on a daily basis you're posting one nice song. Most people are going to download songs from YouTube, songs from where, and even the downloads, even the praise in themselves. You'll end up being a partner on YouTube. And the moment you become a partner on YouTube, you are going to earn money from this. So why not rush and start earning money? This is the easiest, lazy way, because you just put the word and phew, it generates the lyrics. You know, is it soothing music? Do you want music for kids? Do you want music for do you want music for gym? Do you want music for inspiration music? Do you want Christian music? You can all do it from here. And it can be original music sponsored by you, no one else. Now let's talk about, what about the graphics? The graphics, it's easier. You can make money online. As I've told you, we have Canva, we have very many apps of you to make graphics. If you want to make it smart, you want to make it look nice, you put in the graphics. Like for example, my music, I did not put many of the graphics, but you, if you want to take it to another level, to another step, please go ahead and make this one a business. Make it a money mining machine. And also, if you're there, a person who is on social media, and you're very in love with making music every time, you can go ahead and use this music such that you don't get copyrights. Hope this video becomes helpful for you, and I think you have benefited from it. You should go down, click on a share button, you share it to your friends. You can also put a comment in the comment section. See you in another video.